cold heart of mine. She really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. For you. There's nothing I wouldn't do. For you. There's nothing I wouldn't do. For you.
nothing I wouldn't do for you. So you saw me step out, and I told you I was going to the market. So I've gone to the market, I've run some errands, then I had to do some kidogo shopping, and I will quickly show you what I got. So I'll start with the non-perishable goods. So I'll start with, I got some tissue. So I got some tissues, I got some blue bands, and this is just a restock of what I don't have. I got this, what is it called? This tomato paste. Yeah, it's cheaper, it's economical, and it stays for a while. So I've got this one, and then close here. Got a baby. Then I got this small blue band for the baby girl. Then I got pilau masala. Pilau masala. Then I got salt. Some sugar. Then I got 2 packs of kavagara. Then 1 pack of ajab. I have another one. And then this one is mixed. I got bread. I got tiny yogurts. Then I got some tea bags. Then I got some pasta, some this kitchen towel. I got cling film and foil, and then I got some dark soy sauce and some mushroom sauce. I got some vinegar. I got some mandazi flour. And then I got some I got some pad. I got a pack of pads, a pack of tampons, and a pack of panty liner. I got lotion, and then I got hand wash soap. Then I got these big shavers. I got some hair food, these Colgates, some earbuds, and then a scoring pad, Dove yeah, butter soap, and then some toilet cleaner, some Vim, and then flushable wipes, and then this Mnyazi hand wash powder. Yeah, so this is what I got for this product. It will push me a while. Yes, guys. So let us go to the Perry shop. Or those are the green groceries.
Is it only me? Do you feel I'm sinking? Trying desperately. Something changed here. You don't see it, but I can feel it everywhere. It's funny how things change in an instant. Doesn't take much thinking, but everyone can feel the air. Do you know?
I've got a tray of eggs. Then I've got some choma sausages. Coconut milk, and then pineapple, apples, purple cabbage, ho-hos, the green ones, then the red and the yellow, and then raw popcorn, some yellow beans, some peanuts, red beans, onions, some raisins, and cinnamon, paprika, and then watermelon, and then I've got a bunch of bananas. Forgetting the name, guys. Some mangoes, then peas, green peas, green maize, and then some raw bananas, some avo, avos, and then passion fruits. And then here I have some arrowroots and some sweet potatoes. And then I've got some lemons. And then I have some garlic. I have a bunch of coriander. And then some ginger. And then I've got some sweet oranges. Oops. And here I have some tomatoes. I got some carrots too. And then I have some potatoes, and I got some cabbage. And that's it, guys. That's it for the grocery, and also that is it for the video. If you have watched until this far, thank you so much. I hope you don't forget to like the video and also to share me if you can, and see you on the next one.
It's funny how things change.